All right, kiddos, here we go. So I've gotten the same email from several of you. So instead of sending this email out 100 different times, I'm just going to make this video for you. I've shown you this in class, but I'll show you again. You are sixth graders now, and you are in middle school. You have got to take the reins when you are at home. Everything that you need to do will be posted in Google Classroom. So first thing I want to show you, I've got Google Classroom up here. This is where you should be. Be logged in through your Google account. I'm going to go to block 1. It's the same for all of you. So no matter what block you're in, this is what you're going to do. So do not look at the stream. If you look at the stream here, this is going to do nothing but confuse you. Please be in your classwork tab. Got it? Classwork tab at the top. I'm pointing to it. All right, once I click classwork, everything is divided into topics here. Now, I've shown all of you this already 3 times, but when you are at home, it is your job to come to the Giver, go to the Giver PDF and reading schedule, and check daily to see what you need to read and what you need to complete with your active reading slides. So here's the PDF. Here's the reading schedule. Here are your active reading slides. So if you click here, the Giver Daily Reading, you will see that last week it will show you. So these are our first reading days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Here was last week. So if you were gone last week like you, Riker, it tells you each day, listen to these chapters. Here's the times. Here's what you need to do in the active reading slides. Same thing for Wednesday. Same thing for Thursday. Now, if you haven't already completed those chapters, you need to complete them and listen to them, because when you go back to Google Classroom, what you're going to see is you have an assignment from last Thursday and Friday, which is a racer response. All right? So once you do the reading, you should be able to follow these instructions, click here, and write your racer response about Jonas's traits. Now, what you also need to look at, other than keeping up with the reading, check the reading schedule each day. Tomorrow, I will add what we are reading tomorrow, and then I will add what we are reading Wednesday. So each day you have to check. Now, the other thing you have to keep up with is parts of speech. So you are going to find parts of speech. I have assigned the vocabulary adverbs. We're focused on adverbs this week. You had an adjective vocab from last week. You also have an adjective digital practice from last week and a digital adverb practice for this week. Do the vocab assignments first. Sign in with your Google account. It'll tell you what to do. Once you've done the vocab, then complete the digital practices and turn them in. Last thing is your writing journal. So if you have not completed your writing journal and turned it in last week, so if you missed last Wednesday, you need to take pictures of your pages and email them to me. All right? So let me know if you have any questions. Keep up with your Giver reading. Keep up with those assignments. Do adjective and adverb parts of speech. Okay, bye.